Hey everybody, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Checkpoint Software. This is ticker CHKP. Now, Checkpoint is showing a lot of relative strength right now versus most of the market. If you've taken a look at SPY, we see SPY down around its 200-day moving average. We see QQQ under the 200-day moving average. And so Checkpoint is outperforming the major indexes right now. Now, that is a sign of relative strength. And if you've watched some of my chart of the day videos before, you notice that that's something that I look for because we want to find stocks that are holding up well even when the rest of the market looks bad, because a lot of times when the rest of the market does eventually turn around, these high relative strength stocks end up doing really well. So I would keep an eye on Checkpoint. I don't think it's something that you need to necessarily FOMO into, but if I see a break and a move above 225 on Checkpoint, I think that could be good for a momentum trade, and then you're following that move up until the trend breaks. So that's just one of many charts we're looking at tonight as we scope out relative strength in this market at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll see you next time.